So Manu, here we are at the DIY kind of making stand, and you've got a load of kits here. Yeah. Now, DIY kits is something that you're really famous for, and you really kind of support. So how did you start doing that, and why?
Well, because we wanted to do a modular synth back in the day, back in 29, and the only way of having a modular synth back then, for us at least, it was doing it ourselves. So yeah, we were scouting internet for circuits and ways of doing things, and then we really wanted not only to do it, but also to share it with others doing workshops. So yeah, we started making workshops and then doing the kits and then selling the kits because it felt natural.
So what came first, the workshops or the kits?
The workshops. Yeah, the workshops and then the kits, because on the workshops we had like these bags of components.
So you were building things from first principles at the workshops?
Yeah, exactly. And then what I'm trying to say is that with time, these kits of components, they got better. And they got good enough to be sold apart instead of being like in a workshop, no? Like this, where people can get the support from us. No, it's not that important that the kit is perfect and the instructions are good. It's because you are there. So then we have to improve a little bit the making and then the instructions in order for people to do it at home. So that was the natural progression.
So is that how Befaco started as a company?
Exactly. That's the beginning of Befaco. It was a series of workshops. It was an idea, a crazy idea of saying, hey, we're going to be doing a series of workshops, one workshop a month, and at the end of the year, we are going to have a modular synth, each of us. That was the beginning of Befaco. And then, well, yeah, we started to do kits, and then we started assembling modules. And here we are in Machina 2024, like 15 years later.
That's brilliant. So I didn't realize it was actually fundamental to the company. That's how it started.
Yeah. That was the let's say that the foundations of Befaco, it's DIY, it's workshops, it's sharing information. That's where we are coming from. Of course, things have changed a lot in 15 years. Well, it's 14 and a lot. We will be doing 15 years in February, which feels like...
Have you got a 15-year anniversary kit?
Good question. We did, on the 10th anniversary, we did a party. On the 15th, maybe we will have
I think we need something special. Yeah.
Maybe I don't know, a ratio of the oldies, goldies. You never know. We will see.
What's the most popular kit that you sell?
The most popular kit? Good question. I will say Rampage.
Ah, really? So I was guessing it's ST Mix.
Wow, yeah. The thing is that it's unfair for ST Mix to say that Rampage, because how do you call it? The utilities are unsexy, in general terms, but they are the brick and mortar of your construction. They are needed, so it's true. ST Mix will be the most widespread because it's a very useful utility. I can tell, Rampage, because it's a special module for us, or Oneiroi, our last module, which is the most special module that we have released so far. But I think
that's a bit special, that one.
Yeah, but I think STMIS or the output module also deserve a respect and a status.
It's the first kit of yours that I made, is the ST Mix.
Yeah.
And I've got the how do you pronounce it? Is it Oneiroi?
Greek will call it Oniri.
Okay.
Oniri in Greek.
I've got that
Spanish
kit.
and we do it wrong. Sorry for all the Greek people out there. I'm sorry. Oniri.
Okay, Oniri. I've got that kit. I haven't made it yet. So
yeah. It's a very pleasant build. It's a big module. There is a lot of mechanical components, but the layout is widespread. Everything it has space and air. It's a very pleasant Sunday afternoon, or whole Sunday.
Or the whole week, maybe, in my case. No?
Well, the whole week. If if you want to spend 1 hour, like some time each day, or if you have like one full-on day, you wake up, you do your coffee, have a good breakfast, sit down, play some music, spend the day soldering, you get the Oneroy.
All right.
Or
I'll see if I can do that. That's a challenge thrown down. I'll see if I can do it in a day.
Squeeze some times after work every day, and it's a very rewarding. It's a very, very rewarding build, and a very, 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 very rewarding instrument.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to that one.
Yeah.
Many thanks for your time.
Okay.
And good luck at the show.
Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.